Today, I no. Hello guys. Welcome to the video. Today we will be looking at the pyramid in Untitled Tag Fling Game. Untitled Fling Game I meant. Let's go start the video. First, we have to remove the boards. Since it's so dark, I need to get a lamp. First, let's go check this place. It just looks like a lot of pillars. Second, here. This is just empty. Second, here. It looks like a table with a map carved on the stone table. Wait, why does it have a carve? Why is... Oh, I'll be checking on that later. This place looks empty. It's the same thing as kanina. It's just the same pillars. Let's go check this place. Can you just shut up? Oh, there is a thing. It's just a space. An empty space. Useless. But kinda good. But why is there sounds coming from here? Why is there... What is that badge? Okay, let's turn... Ooh! Look at this place. What's this? It looks empty. Oh. Yeah. Oh, this place looks nice. We will end the video from here because this is the end of the pyramid.